Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 15th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, the US dollar CAD has made a very strong push to the downside. If you go up to like the daily time frame and beyond, you almost got to go all the way up to the monthly to really see what this is. I think we are now in a wave C of wave Y of a big W X Y pattern, which means we should potentially be in a downtrend that potentially would last a year or more, making a wave C of wave Y. Now, it definitely isn't just going to go down all at once. There's going to be all kinds of pullbacks on shorter time frames, which is great news for us. Now, bringing it back down to the 1 hour time frame, this is my last significant structure level because that's the last swing high it made before it went down and made a new swing low, making lower lows and lower highs. So if price breaks this swing, the first thing I would do is throw my Fibonacci retracement on the whole move down. I would definitely assume that even if it does go up and break that high, it's just going to end up being a correction to the whole move down, probably someplace between 38 and 78% of this move down. But we have to be careful assuming that it's going to break, and I personally wouldn't even recommend anybody going long until we break a structure. If it breaks structure, then fine, start looking for longs on pullbacks because it does not have to break structure. This could just be another ABC correction, and this could easily just keep going down. The higher time frames are telling you to look for shorts. Even this 1 hour time frame is definitely not telling you to look for longs yet. So I would suggest looking for nothing but shorts at the end of pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's just linked down in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.